Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to request money on Cashapp. Let's get straight into it because it's going to be a quick video. So to request money on Cashapp, all you got to do is open the Cashapp on your mobile device first, and then tap the dollar icon at the bottom of the screen, and then just tap request to initiate a money request. Now you want to enter the sender's Cashapp username, also their phone number and their email address, and then just enter the amount that you're requesting. And once that is done, you can just add a note to describe the reason for the request. Of course, that's optional, and just send the request to the sender to complete the process. Now, a couple of request options that you have available. You can request money from a specific person by entering their information, or you can request money from multiple people by adding their information. You could also request a specific amount or allow the sender to choose the amount. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request money on Cashapp. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.